Hi viewers, welcome to the Sath with Sap Solutions. Today I want to explain about how to delete temporary files or cache files or unwanted junk files from your system. First of all, I show you some of the commands. Then by using that commands, you can delete temporary files in your system. Okay, here on Windows 2010, just here type run, click on enter. You can get these options. Okay, here just type star temp star, click on enter. These are the temporary files you can able to delete. Okay, I show you. I'm deleting, I'm selecting all this, I'm deleting, delete option. Then these files goes to recycle bin automatically. Okay, this is temporarily empty. Whenever I am clicking on this, automatically these files goes to this recycle bin. Just some of the files are not able to delete, so those files are currently running files, so we are not able to those files. For suppose cam record, I am recording a camera, so this option is available here, so I am unable to delete this option like that. And the next thing is skip. I am skipping that one. Okay, all those here available, just check it out, recycle bin. And I want to restore for the further information, so I am using restore. Yes, this is empty and all files are available here. Okay, next thing is I'm closing this one. Run, enter. Here you can write a prefetch, F-E-T-C-H, prefetch, enter. So the some of the temporary files, so I am selecting all these files, I am deleting. Yes, this all files are gone, and I am skipping this one. As these all files are went to recycle bin, and I want to restore all this for further information. Restore. Those files are available now here, and I am closing this one. By using like these commands, prefetch and store, temp store, by using these two commands you can delete temporary files in your system. And another option for cleaning a disk is here, just write disk, disk, clean, clean, disk clean. Just check it out here, disk cleanup. Click on this. Yes, I want to clean the disk C, or else select anyone for cleaning a junk files or temporary files like that. I am using this clean options. Clicking on OK. Clicking on OK, and it's take time to load. Yes, it is taking temporary files from the system. Yes, it's came. Just check it out. How much space it's occupied. Temporary internet files. Just it's take a 47.0 MB per internet files. And delivery optimization files 1.15 MB. Like that, you just click on like this. If you want to delete, you can delete it. Click on OK. Automatically it will be deleted. Clean up system files. Okay. I am now for further information, I'm just closing on this one. If you want to, okay, just I'm clicking on one thing and click on OK. Delete that file. It's deleting. Okay. And next thing is how to delete browser history. I'm opening on this one. Yes, it is available. Click on here, and most of the browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Chrome, all these options are available like this. Here same icon available, all the browsers, and click on it. Here history, click on history. All the history is available here. Clear browsing data, you can click on this one, automatically it will be deleted. Clear browsing data. Okay, check it out, what are the options you want to delete. You can check it out, and you can take the time also. last 1 hour, last day, 4 weeks, or lifetime. Like that you can check it out. I am using the beginning of the time. Okay sir, clear browsing data. You can clear all the data, no problem at all. Clear browsing data, you can clear here. And the next thing is, which is the best software to delete all these temporary files. I am using the CC Cleaner, which is the best software for me to delete all the temporary files. When I am writing here CC, then CC Cleaner is available. I am clicking on this one. Yes, it's came. All the information available here. Just check it out. All automatically it will be deleted these data, and applications also same data is available here. Those data also deleted by this software. I'm click on running data. Run command. My system is too faster. It's running too faster because the temporary files is not there and cache memory is not there. So